there's wallpaper on here, but of course it catches a lot of dust, and because we're dealing with makeup and powders and things, we get a lot of dust on these walls. So you can see with this floor system how flexible it is. Once you've done all the walls, then of course we pick up that finer soot. If you've got a compact, refined area and you've got an air conditioner, a lot of soot will actually go onto the floor. So we pick it up, and that's a must always to do first. The whole building's done without a vacuum cleaner, and we might pull the vacuum cleaner to get in the corners, maybe once every 3 months. But you'll see that we pick up this finer soot and dust onto the fibres. And I can guarantee you won't get all that finer soot off using a vacuum cleaner. It's important to use the dry yellow first. And you see how thick it is, so it'll keep absorbing an awful lot of dirt and dust. Another thing you could do is